Good morning, my people. It's your girl Aisha for those who don't know me, and for those who know me, karibu sana. Thank you so much for coming back. And for those who don't know me, I'm Aisha. I do vlogs, makeup, and other stuff that are more interesting. So if you want to see like the things that I do, you can continue watching. So for today, I'm going to show you guys on how to install a U-part wig. It's just easy for beginners, 5 minutes work. So stay tuned. So guys, this is how the wig looks like, and let's start installing. So it depends where you want your U-part to be. It can be at the middle part or the side part. So I decided to do like the side part. I went to the salon and they did my hair like cornrows, so mine has a side part. And if you're doing a U-part wig, I advise you to leave like as much hair on these ends, because mine I left like less. So anyway, we'll just have to use that. Also this side, okay, and now plus this area. So this next scene, we're just going to like watch. I'm not going to talk, just watching. Before you continue, as you can see, it has like 1 2 3 4 5 pins, and if you want you can also put like another one here. So let's begin. So for a start, I'm going to start with like this one. We are going to put that first pin over here. See, as easy as that. Now I'm just going to like tie at the end. See, since it has like these bands, let me show you guys, and kindly ignore the sounds outside. They are doing a construction, so it might be noisy a bit. So these are the straps I'm saying, okay. Like that, and we are done with that. So let's comb the hair. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to use a flat iron so that we can like flat iron it can, so that it can match with this hair of ours. So the next part, I'm just going to take my Eco Styler styling gel to lay those edges. So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, it came out as natural as possible, as how I wanted it to be. And this wig is from Aisha Wigs. I sell wigs too, so if you want them wigs, you can go and get them. I'll also leave the page or the picture of that page over here, plus the link of that Instagram page on my description. I also do makeup. If you want your makeup services, you can also follow my page. I'll put like a pic over here, plus the link of that page on my description, and plus my personal page. I know I've got so many pluses, but bear with me. My personal page, I'll also leave that link of the page on my description. So anyway guys, if you have come this far and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, you can comment, share, just give me your opinion on how it looks. Anyway, thank you so much. See you till next time.